Did you know that nearly 85% of people experience hair fall at some point in their lives? What if the solution lies in a single natural ingredient? Discover the power of Amla juice, a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Known as a superfood for hair, Amla juice is packed with nutrients that not only combat hair fall but also promote shiny, strong, and healthy locks. Hair fall is more than just a cosmetic concern. It's often a result of stress, poor nutrition, hormonal imbalances, or even environmental pollution. If you're tired of endless products that promise results but fail to deliver, this natural remedy might be what you're looking for. What makes Amla juice so effective? Rich in vitamin C, boosts collagen production, essential for hair strength. Powerful antioxidants, fight oxidative stress, a major cause of hair damage. Iron and calcium, improve scalp health and hair texture. Regular consumption or topical use of Amla juice can nourish hair follicles, reduce hair breakage, and stimulate new growth. Research shows that Amla juice can reduce hair fall by up to 50% with consistent use. Testimonials from users claim noticeable improvements in hair volume and strength within weeks of incorporating it into their routine. Amla juice isn't just a remedy, it's a transformative addition to your hair care regimen. From reducing hair fall to promoting overall hair health, its benefits are undeniable. By embracing this natural solution, you're giving your hair the care it truly deserves. Have you tried Amla juice for your hair? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our other videos on natural hair care tips to achieve your dream hair. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it.